Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this video we are going to see how to add or enable passkey in Binance. It is a very simple step, so just follow me and let's get started. So first of all, click on the top left corner of the screen and now click on profile, then click on security, and here is the option passkeys. Just click on it and click on add passkey. Click on passkey, then select your account on which you want to add a passkey. So I am selecting my account and just click on continue. Then type your screen lock or pin which you have. So after writing the pin, it will load, and then a 6-digit verification code will be sent to your email address. After writing the email address, click on submit, and then your passkey will be added. I hope this video will help you. If so, please consider in liking this video and subscribe this channel.